Today we had a really wonderful day with ministry. We have been spending 2 or 3 days just buying stuff, packing down, and today we had a truck coming this morning and we loaded the almost 10 ton of food and we gave it out to 131 families in the village 20 kilometers from here. And it was in good work together with the local chief in that village and our Waiwam Sumba partners here. And they did a wonderful job in handing out in an orderly way. And we just saw how important it is to have the locals involved in what we do. It was a really good experience to see the women, the children carrying away the bags. But it was also a little sad to think about that this help is just for a short time. So our prayer and what we hope is that other people will be able to receive this help and that people will be willing to help us in this.